Hey everybody, welcome back to Hanging with Hallie. Today I'm going to do a blindfold taste test. So, my mom is helping me today, and we got names here, and food, and I think one drink in here. So, I'm going to draw from this, and, well, whoever gets picked out of the name, say it's my mom, then my mom would have to go, and I have to pick the thing. She's going to wear the blindfold then, and then she's going to have to taste it and pretty much just guess it. So let's get started.
Can I go first?
That's the thing. Mom.
Okay.
I'll put this and then next I'm going. Okay.
Do I pick or do you pick?
I pick.
I'm scared.
There's no need to be. Okay. Open up. Yes.
Water.
Yes.
That was easy.
You still keep it on.
Now it's your turn.
No, you have 5 turns.
Well, let's just keep doing it back and forth.
Okay. Okay, whatever you say, Mom.
All right, let's see. Open up.
Cake! I knew I was going to get this one. I hope I got cake.
Okay.
Mom, put this blindfold on.
Do you want to pick a name or should we just take turns?
No, just...
Okay. Yell at me.
Bread.
Thanks.
Sorry, I gave it away to you.
I'll take bread.
Okay, whatever you want, Mom. I'm just going to hand it. Hold on, not ready yet.
You're not picking something else, right?
No, maybe. No,
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.
I don't like cheese. The one thing, well, two things. No, I don't like cheese.
That was funny. Fab. I know one. That's what we offer. Okay. Is it alright?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see anything?
Nope.
No, you can put it on.
I ain't eating that.
How do you know what it is?
Nutella.
No? What are you talking about? It's not.
Cold tomato sauce.
Yep.
Why did you put Nutella up to me
What?
and then give me tomato sauce? You're cheating.
I'm not. It's called being nice. like.
Most kids like pizza.
Don't judge.
No,
I thought I put more in here.
no, that's okay.
Is she putting her stuff over here? Oh, and we added one more. We weren't sure if we had it, but apparently we did.
I mean, we added something.
Come on, open it up.
Sprinkles.
Yes. So if we don't have enough, then she's gonna give us something. We added frosting. Nope, I get the frosting. You better not be giving me pizza again. Frosting?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. That tasted good. No, of course it did, because I'm a kid, so. It's a size 1, Mom. Sorry about that noise. That was my dad.
It says it's the last one. I wonder what it could be.
No. I forget what I put in here.
Ready?
Mom. There's something combined. Nutella, banana, and sprinkled.
Don't forget the cake.
No.
Pretty good though. That was pretty good.
So, now I'm going to give her one more thing.
No more things.
Yep. One more thing since
I'm not gonna like this.
how do you know?
I'm not gonna like it. I hear a jar opening. I'm not putting it in my mouth.
Yes, you are. Trust me, it's something you like.
Trust you?
Yes.
I don't know if I can trust you.
Yes, you
I
can.
don't know if I can trust
You
you.
could. You can. I think you like it at least.
Jelly
Yes.
and peanut butter.
No. No. There's no peanut butter. Let me taste. I'm not. There's no peanut butter.
Someone must have put a knife with peanut butter in there.
It doesn't taste like peanut
Now it's
butter.
Emily's turn.
You put that spoon in that jar.
Oh.
So So that finishes up our blindfold taste test. Thanks for watching Hanging with Hallie.